You all know that Gapu is an e-commerce platform. So it was established in 2020. We launched in March 2020, just when the lockdown started. We were not fully ready, but we thought that I think it is better to go. Even if it is not fully ready, we have to start because the lockdown has come and we have to solve the community and they need us. So that's why we started in March, and by end of 2020, we have achieved a remarkable things till now. Till now we have 1,000 plus vendors, 4 lakhs products, 50,000 web customers, and more than 30,000 app downloads. So that is what we have achieved at the moment. And in the next few years, I believe that we will have a very remarkable stakes here in the Nepalese community. So that's why we how it started is that when before the lockdown we realized that e-commerce is going to be our next emerging industry, not only in Nepal but in the whole world. We know that e-commerce has been very massively bigger in the world. We know about Alibaba, we know about so many companies. Okay, so we thought that why not we start in Nepal, because Nepal also we have a very good software developers, we have a very good platform, we have a stable government, not at the moment, but of course it will be stable, I hope so, but we don't have load shedding, and we have a great big opportunities coming ahead for the youth and for the young entrepreneurs. So we thought that this is the right time, we should go with the e-commerce platform, but again the lockdown pushed us a little bit uh, prior to the launching date. Otherwise, maybe Gap would start by the mid of 2020 or by the end of 2020. And we're really proud that we have done an immense job. And the many customers, many consumers, they have really have a very good feedback about what we're doing at the moment. Of course, we are not 100% perfect. It is just 1 year, but in the next 3 or 4 years, we'll be a leading company in Nepal. Also, I also like to express our experience to the new startup who want to start a new company in e-commerce. E-commerce is not easy business. It's a very difficult business. We even didn't know that it is so difficult. Okay, we realized that it is not an easy job, but we are already into it, and we have to make it successful. So in Nepal, what the few problems are there is that uh, the location tracking system is very difficult in Nepal. We don't have a very good location, and to find a house and where there is no proper tracking system is quite difficult. Okay, so if I say in Nepali, then what we say like घर कता छ भनेर सोध्यो भने यो गल्लीतिर भित्र हैन तपाईको एउटा गल्लीको मन्दिरको छेउतिरको भन्नुपर्छ हैन. So and we don't have a very good road access. The roads are very narrow, and our vehicles, it will be very difficult to reach to the right point. So that is a one of the biggest challenge for the e-commerce industry, and we are also facing the same challenges. Another one is that the vendors are not very techno-friendly. When they put the products, they do not actually manage their stock. So that is one another problem that we're facing at the moment, and we are actually training the new vendors like how they have to manage the stock and how they have to put the products carefully with the price factors as well. And even the customers know, like we are e-commerce platform, but the customers are really in Nepal, they are not very friendly. The market is very scratch. So the customers would like to uh, place the order by calling, by chatting, and that is also what we're doing at the moment, but we're asking the customers to sign up, to log in, and to purchase the product in the right way. So that is the problem. Of course, and our Nepal country is not very tax friendly. I don't know if there is any government agency here in this platform, but it will be a right platform to convey the message to the government agencies that startup is a really difficult job, and we need a lot of motivation from the government side, and especially with the tax, with the legal issues, we have to be they have to uh, make the right decisions to motivate the startup tech industry, including e-commerce. So the features that we have with Gapo is that We have all API integration with all wallets like eSeva, Khalti, ProbuPay, IMEPay. We all have that integration, so the customers can buy the product from any wallets, from any bank integrations. We have a 24 hours delivery service. We have refund and replace policy, because most of the customers, they still don't trust e-commerce. So that is why we made this refund policy very strong, so that we can gain the trust from the customers, and we are doing this very nicely. Another feature is coming, that we want to build the independent seller platform, so that an individual can open their own business inside Gapu. Okay, it is not ready now, but it is going to come in next few months, so that they can open their own business, they can open their own platform where they can sell their own products inside Gapu, and that is going to create a massive job in Nepalese community. So another plan we have about from Gapu is that we are, after we go nationwide, because Gapu has already uh, planned to deliver all the goods nationwide. So after that, we are going to go in ASEAN countries, in South Asia market, because Nepal is in the middle of India and China, and this Asian countries is growing big. So we want to go to some other countries like Vietnam. I think we're going to explore in Vietnam and India in near future, maybe in 2021 by early 2021, 22. Okay. So what we want to give to the message to the Nepalese community is that this tech industry is going to bring a lot of immense job opportunities to the Nepalese community, and it is the business which can go global. So, and I also have to represent, okay, Excel Trip, which is our sister company. Excel Trip is OTA platform, okay, online travel aggregator. It is an online, like what you say, you can book hotels online, you can buy tickets online from Excel Trip Nepal, and we have around 2.4 million hotels worldwide, and 45 plus airlines already integrated inside Excel Trip Nepal. And in Nepal, if you want to travel to anywhere in a part of the Nepal, you can just book your hotels or book your tickets locally. We also have Yeti Airlines, we have Buddha Airlines, we have Simplic Airlines already integrated in our platform, so that you can use that app, you can use the website, and you can book the hotels. So I think I don't want to make it very long. I just to comment on one more thing, is that I think this platform is a very nice platform, and talking about Gapu and Excel Trip will be very small. We have to promote all the tech industries together, and I think this is a very good platform, and I think we have to give a very strong message to the Nepalese community, that all tech industry has to come to the one place, and we have to work together to grow this industry, because this is going to be very massive in near future. Okay, so we have to take this business into internet, because internet is a very big powerful strength that has been given from the world, and we have to use that internet in a proper way, and how to make our business more successful, and how to create more jobs for the nation. And lastly, I want to thank to the Next Growth Conclave, uh, and to the whole team, for giving such opportunity to sponsor, especially to Kabiji. Kabiji is always actually is in contact with us, and we are very privileged to have this event, and to sponsor this event. And I believe that even in the next year, we'll have this opportunity from Kabiji and from the company. Thank you so much. I just want to take a very short one. Thank you so much. Yeah.